Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to receive alerts about unrecognized devices that have logged into your Facebook account. So, what you need to do is open up Facebook and then go to your profile from clicking three little lines, then clicking your profile right over here, then click the three little dots and everything's in threes. And from here, what you need to do is click View Privacy Shortcuts, scroll a bit down, and right under account security where it says receive alerts about unrecognized logins, click on this. So you have two types of alerts, via email address and via Facebook. So if you're logged into Facebook, you just get a notification that somebody is logged into your account from a different device, or a different device is logged into your Facebook, or you can receive it on your email. I suggest you turn both on. Okay, so now we need to enter our password. And now that we have done that, as you can see, it's turned on here. And now we can do the same for this one. Click save. And there we go. Now we will receive emails and notifications in Facebook whenever somebody, if they log into our account. And that's pretty much it and how you do it. Keep your account safe, guys, and stay notified. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.